So this is a faulty laptop, and in this laptop there is a screen replacement and keyboard replacement part. So this screen will be replaced, and the keyboard is also faulty. So let us see what is the fault here. So you can see here, when I start the laptop, there is a vertical line here. And this screen is a faulty one. So this need to be replaced, and what I will do is that I will replace this with this screen. This box contains the new screen. In this box there is the new screen, and I will be using this to replace the current screen. So let us see, and after replacement what happens you will see. So the laptop has started and it is working.